Welcome back to another episode of Flatline Foul. It is opening day of regular goose season here in New York, and we just finished setting up decoys. We have 6 guys shooting today, and the wind looks perfect. And what do we have? 500 geese here.
Yeah, there was 500 there yesterday morning. So.
Yesterday morning, this field had about 500 geese, and also this will be the 3rd time we've hunted this field. It just keeps producing, so we're going to take advantage of it while we can and while the geese are here. So.
All right, so this morning we got a lot of decoys, probably like 16 dozen. We got 10 dozen dive bombs, about a dozen Bigfoots, some white rock silhouettes, some dive bomb socks. We got a lot of decoys. We're gonna try something new today with a Lucky Goose flapper. Never used it before. We got like it's kind of like a Z. We got a pod that's coming down from our left, and it's gonna cut across us, and then we have a big pod off to our right. And then we also have people across the road setting up in a cornfield. There has not been very many geese down there. They've been going down there because this field's been full, and they're kind of forced to go down there. So we're hoping to get a lot of shooting in and make them a little bit jealous.
Yeah, we got in like 3 hours before shooting light. We got in around 4 o'clock here. It was like 3:55 because we didn't want anybody to beat us to this spot, because we figured there'd be guys in the area trying to hunt here. So
we're hoping to have a good morning and bring in a nice 6-man limit. So we'll see you when the action starts. Make sure your head's covered. Not everybody. They're gonna fly over top of us.
Oh, they're gonna come across us. Yep. There we go, boys.
Let these ones get down first. Maybe shoot them.
Kill them, kill them, kill them, kill them.
Dump them.
I shot that one right after you did.
No. Let these ones get down first. Maybe shoot them.
Kill them.
Ah.
Oh, you got him.
Hey, you gotta go get that one.
I never.
Look at them all behind us. How did I miss that goose?
That cup's in the.
That's what I'm talking about, boys.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's pick them up.
That's a good shoot right there.
You want to pick up? Yeah. No.
We're not even close to our limit.
No, we're probably at 10.
Love a gun jam.
Well, I got one of them. I got that one on the right. Four at him. 5. Oh, let's go. Yeah,
Come on, sit still for a sec. Don't get out yet.
Yeah.
They might want to come back.
They're not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere.
Yeah, we hit those hard.
I hate this stupid gun. That's heavy metal. I don't think it's heavy metal. Okie dokie. So it's raining sideways, and we're getting to count the birds right now. We had some short stop us out there, and I'm guessing we're around 16 birds right now.
I'd say so,
That's a good number. Should we get in the blinds? Get in blinds.
They're flying right at us. Strangle it.
Don't put their bellies up. But it turned into a rainy morning.
Get down. They might come back.
Well, they're not.
They don't give a singular rip.
They're fixing
Your
the.
neck isn't even on you.
They're fixing the dive bombs
They're
because
flying right at us too.
we've got enough wind to where they're starting to get blown over. So yeah, it's a little windy.
Did you shoot the one out on the right?
Yeah.
I was the only one shooting on the right unless Noah did.
I shot once, my gun's in.
Yeah.
That's pretty. They're okay.
Get back in.
Okay.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
What we got?
Yeah, geese in the air and you're walking.
Yeah, we could be shooting a limit, but you're still walking around.
17.
All right, we got 17.
Halfway there.
13 more.
Probably less, just in case there's goose out there.
Right.
We'll shoot. We'll go to 28 if possible.
Oh my lord.
Look at them all.
Holy. Come on, broads. It's literally just.
Yep.
Like, we need all hands on deck moving almost all of the stuff up.
Where are we moving these decoys?
Probably somewhere.
In front of us.
Those guys are gonna mow left them.
Oh my gosh. Where are they?
They're
Straight behind us?
400 dozen.
Oh, to the right. Directly to the right.
Oh boy, that might be a good shot right here.
I hope so.
They're gonna land the same spot.
Oh my goodness. They're like boys. They're coming up. Kill him! Hey, right here, right here.
Shoot 5. These two?
Yeah, kill him.
What do we got?
We got two.
Oh, we only shot 2? Shoot that one.
Shoot it.
He's fine.
You tell me you only shot 2 out of that?
Yeah.
Shot 3.
Oh, shot 3?
My hat fell off.
I dumped 1, I know that.
I got the one right in
I shot that one right there.
3.
You shot that.
Goddamn thing.
Oh, I thought it had a band.
Yeah, Zeus it.
They're coming back, boys.
It's really
Colton.
Again?
I shot mine. They're probably like you.
They're all just gonna start landing now. Look at these ones.
These ones are caught too.
Oh.
There they go.
Sky bust those things, baby.
No, there's like.
No, they had a bunch short land them. Short land them.
They didn't shoot any of them.
Oh, they're still shooting.
Oh, I just got hit by a pellet. Jesus.
Oh God, it's going right out.
I'm gonna grab him.
Dude, oh, you flared him. I was gonna catch it. He's gonna fly right over
There's
me.
no way that one's not dying.
No.
That one's dying.
Going
Not
on Karen's pod.
Not our bird.
Not our bird.
Not our bird. We didn't shoot that. I say we just sit
So
up
we're
and-
at 30 birds. We limited out, and now we're just
Watching geese.
Yeah, watching all
We
the
should put
birds.
the mojo on.
watching
See
all
if
the
we can get
birds
some
everywhere.
ducks.
Look at them all. Were all those up before? All over there in the valley?
Yeah, they just shot
There's like
all
75 of them.
Not
Yeah,
those ones,
there's like
no.
75 of
There's
them
one
over
over
there.
there.
Dogs hauling sheep though. Yeah.
That dog is boogieing.
There's geese absolutely
I think we just
everywhere.
sit tight, let them land.
Yeah, so we got a 30 bird limit. We had a 2-pack come in like literally right behind us, quiet, and Dan wasn't filming with the big camera, and I had my GoPro off, so of course we weren't able to film the last two.
So it
But
was supposed to rain, but then it wasn't supposed to rain, but now it's raining. So
yeah,
There's a bunch of them that are like, could we land on them?
yeah.
honestly,
is it
they
safe?
flare less when you're just standing here than if you were to
Doesn't
like
it
move
seem
a
like
bunch
it?
and you're blind.
Sure seems that way.
We shot geese last year standing, just in our spread, standing.
Also, we are doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and just keep that in mind. So you better subscribe. It's also a secret what you're gonna be getting. So subscribe. And once we get to 500, we're gonna pick a subscriber, and we've got some merch for you.
Honestly, it wasn't looking too promising early on because
Yeah.
every bird just was like,
Flying
we're going the
straight
other
away.
way, and then we had a little mishap where they all decided they wanted to land out there. But you know, we pieced it together.
Did a little bit of adjustments on the decoys.
Move the decoys.
it
off.
honestly-
Moving the decoys helped.
It helped us a lot.
Completely.
Got the fish in front of
Because we had a bunch of decoys like right out here behind us, and they were landing
us. Short.
back there. And they were landing short up there. But we moved a lot of the decoys right up there in front of us, and they just did it really well.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching another episode of Foul Line Foul. If you could like and subscribe, it would help us out a bunch. We're looking forward to bringing more videos.
Perfect.
They would be seen too, that wouldn't they?
Where was that this morning?
They would have
Here we
ate
go.
some
How
last.
is this even a thing?
They would dead.
Where's that 15 minutes guy when we gotta shoot our one that?
We'll catch back up with you guys later.